Remember when they hated, didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through. Now you hate yourself, you can't look at me, look at me. Yeah. You made me. Yeah.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? Today we're about to be taking the truck and we're about to be taking that thing to go get C-notched. I'm kind of content with the ride height, but I found somebody out here that could C-notch this frame and do a underbed notch. Even though the truck isn't kind of bottoming out, it does still feel a little bumpy. So one of my boys who has like a super slam truck told me just to take it to this guy, get it notched, and it should give it more travel, so the truck should feel a bit better. So yeah, we're taking that thing to go get C-notched. Then I may possibly be heading over to Works Customs, depending on if he's busy or not. And I need him to make me some brackets and some custom stuff for some lighting. Y'all will see that if we end up getting into it today. But yeah, man, I need to get ready. I'm already kind of behind schedule. So let's get ready to grab this truck and let's go get this thing notched. So I think dude said this is gonna take about 6 hours or so. So since it's gonna be taking a minute, we're definitely gonna be taking the work computer. Y'all see it, Broly. Ooh. All my friends and fans know that I am a huge Broly fan. When it comes to DBZ, that is my shit. Ooh. Preventative maintenance on getting your shit jizzacked. Waking up one day and coming outside and the nigga car is just non-existent in the driveway. Like, bruh. Man, one thing I am looking for is some new wheels. Even though I know people like these Texas editions, I personally hate them. Like, I do not like these wheels, so I'm in the middle of trying to find some wheels that I want to put on this thing. And to be honest, like, I kind of like the height that it's at. I'm not even gonna lie. At first I thought maybe I'd want to go to a 4.6 drop, but I think currently right now at this height, I think this thing is it's functional. I ain't gotta worry about taking nothing out the front, and I think it's a nice little drop. So I might leave it this height and just get it to where it feels good. Get the helper bags and everything on there. It's just mob, man. All right, so little fun fact about the truck. This is my very first time filling this thing up since we got the truck. I know some of y'all might not like this, but I put 87 in this thing, bruh. Gas right now is $4.45 for 87, almost $5 for 91. This ain't no high performance truck or nothing like that right now, so this thing is for sure getting this watered down 87. If this thing blows up, I do not care. I possibly may 6.0 swap this thing. I'm still up and down between doing a turbo 5.3 or all motor 6.0. That way I can still have that low end torque and still tow with it. But yeah, man, I know y'all might be upset, but this thing is currently running 87. Lord help us over here in California, man. We need every drop of this. Shake that thing out. Man, y'all want a little pull? Y'all want a pull? Ready?
Turn right onto C8 West.
Stock truck, so slow. Ugh. He needs some cam. He needs some bigger motor. He needs some, oh, never mind. He needs some boost. All right, so we did run into a little bit of rain, but we're about 5 minutes out from the location where we're about to be getting this thing notched at. All right, so just pulling up right now. See, they got a Chevy right there that's all lowered. Actually looks pretty nice. I could go a bit lower on mine. Yeah, bro, right here gonna be doing the notch for us. In the meantime, I'm about to get to some editing real quick. Work don't stop, man. editing vlogs as I'm vlogging. So he's back there getting ready to take the bed off. Hopefully I can get this video done and edited for y'all. And then we'll go out there and get some footage of him. Maybe possibly practice some cinematics, man. You guys know that I am shooting on 4K now. And this is my very first time trying Final Cut Pro as an editing software. I usually use iMovie. So I think with this video, I'm gonna get some footage of him back there working. And then I'll try to see what I can come up with as far as the edit go. I've never done Final Cut Pro, so this will be my first time trying it.
Oh yeah, whoa, look, they can never keep me down, I'm going. And if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up. I bet when I land, they gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props. You ain't got no soul, you lacking the spirit. You talk out your neck, I'ma show you I'm with it. I would really hate for you to sit and watch me win again and win again and win again. I know it's probably getting on me and win a synonym. So if I ever win again, it's no I did the minimum. I didn't have to sell my soul. Oh, yeah. Please don't play no games with me. It was never about the fame to me. They needed the best, so they came to me. Whoa. Who the best in this thing? Tell them, yeah, that's me. Tell them who bring the vibe, say, yeah, that's me. Who make it flip, make it bang, ooh, yeah, that's me. Who make the party feel alive, tell them, yeah, that's me. My girl's so proud of your boy when they ask, is that your man? Yeah, that's me. And if I'm taking a shot, I don't miss. Who knew I would be at the top like this? And no one made my goals for me. But I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be. Cause it's the path that God chose for me. So even if some doors close for me, I still won't let y'all close to me. So please step back where you're supposed to be. Put the game all on hold for me. And sit back, watch me rock.
Alright, so he is just about done with this C-notch. And man, this thing is looking good. He's in the middle of boxing all this up right now. But yeah, this is looking real good. This dude does super dope work. I looked at his Instagram, seen his work, and I was like, yo, I'm sliding through here. The work he has on his Instagram is pretty sick. The prices are super legit. For the C-notch right here, man, this is $550. It's actually welded in versus it being like a bolt-in C-notch. He also offers like monster notches, bed tubbing if people were interested in that stuff. I'm not planning on slamming this thing and tucking, so I think this is gonna be good for what I need to do. If anything, this car will probably only be lowered like another inch or two or this truck, I should say. This truck would only be lowered like an inch or two if I was to lower this thing anymore. So right now he said he about to take the little crossing right there out. That way we got some more clearance. This man got them crispy cuts. That line looks straight as hell. Tell he been doing this for a long time. Look at that line. Damn. That line straight. Look at that crispy cut. Jeez. So last look at these things. He over there adding the black, keep it from rusting. And we also got the bed notch in here. Look at that. That is a pretty impressive line, man. Ooh, just pulling up to Works. Hold up though. What we got right here though? Look at Lil Baby. Woo, woo. Zam! Hey, that's my car. But yeah, just getting here to Works right now. I told y'all we were gonna be getting these lights installed if I had the time, and my boy said that he has the time to do it. So here we are. Don't look like he don't look like he ready.
On the cut.
What's up, fool?
Yeah, fool. The baby C-notch.
Yeah, man. Jeez. So this is a little light too we about to throw in here. So my plan for this right here is to have them trim this, set these things in there, but have them back in there so you don't necessarily really see them. Already came with the switch, came with relays. Nice little kit, pretty cheap too. I don't know what they saying, but feel like it's fitting to my truck.
Así me la vivía. Era el más morrillo.
This is like Jesse's favorite thing to do. Make brackets. Brackets. All right, so these are our two separate harnesses. You see right here, you got your fusible link, your relay, basically your power, your ground, and then over here we got the little switch that turns this on and off. And instead of having two switches, what I'm gonna do is probably run everything exactly how it is. May even just splice these two into each other, and then splice the switches together. That way it's on one switch. The focus.
3/4. 3/4. That should be this, right? Yep, look at that. Math. Stay in school, guys.
Jesse got the child labor laws in full effect over here.
Hey, he's my family, bro. No. It'd be different if I didn't know the dude. But, you know, he's related by blood, unfortunately.
He's still 14.
Yeah, no, 15, bro.
Oh,
Prodigy.
just turned 15.
Prodigy.
The baby. Already better than Brian. I think we're gonna replace Brian for sure. This kind of idea, y'all can see it right there. Should be enough to blind some people. Move! Get out of the fast lane going 45. I feel like I got them undercover police lights. Oh boy. Officially a truck.
Price it out, bro.
Alright, so this is what it's looking like. You see the light beam on those? Hella bright. Looks good too. Show y'all what this looking like. Just got done adjusting it, and like I said, we put it on one switch. So this is what it's looking like without the fog zone. Nice straight beam across. Just adjusted these things, and then with the fog lights on. Definitely a big difference. Come on. Almost ended the video. Forgot, I gotta show her real quick.
Show me what?
Just, come on. You gonna see when we get outside. Come on. You notice anything different?
What am I looking at?
You don't notice nothing different? Here, go stand in front of the truck.
Were they new headlights?
See it?
Fog? Oh. Hella bright.
I've been going too crazy, these niggas too shady. Speed limit 65, I'm about to do 80. Fuck them niggas hating on. I've been on the come up. You can go to speed, but it's better if you run up. You can ride with a nigga, but I'ma give you a choice. If you really wanna holler, then I'ma give you a